他想干嘛？他怎么坐过来了？他是想向我表白吗？你是不是有话想对我说？那你说。
其实，我其实特别想吃一碗泡面，我实在是太饿了。你看，我又要给漫画公司赶稿，还要给你当助理，还有毕业设计要赶，这可是我苦难生活中的唯一曙光了，你不会拒绝吧？来，快尝尝，好不好吃？
我不吃垃圾食品。
什么垃圾食品啊？我做面是有心得的，要想做好一碗完美的面，就要严格掌控每一个细节，就跟你做动漫似的，专注精神，把握细节，还要严格的控制每一个用料配比。最重要的是要注入灵魂。来，我给你演示一下。吃面是要有步骤的，加几根面，然后再舀一勺汤，再来点榨菜，要一口吃下去。好吃。那尝尝。哎呀，你尝尝嘛，好不好吃？
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me.